Hi everyone, my name is Sai Syam. Welcome to my channel Maths with Sai. Today we will discuss about a topic of algebra. The name of the topic is linear inequations. So, according to the definition, a statement of inequality between two expressions involving a single variable x with highest power 1 is known as linear inequations. Let's discuss it. So, linear means highest power 1 and quadratic means highest power 2. Inequations, we have already familiar to the term equations, where equations means equal sign was coming, yes or no, before LHS, in between LHS and RHS, okay. But here it is saying inequalities. This inequalities is which sign? Is it equal sign? No. Inequalities means the sign less than, equals to, greater than, equals to will come. For example, the first one, 5x minus 7 less than 6 plus 2x, 3 by 2x less than equals to 6 plus x, 4 by 7x minus 8 greater than 5 minus 2x, 6x minus 3 by 4 greater than equals to 5 plus x. Look, in all these cases, which sign is there? Less than equals to, greater than and greater than equals to. That means in inequation we have to face these four signs. Okay. And one more thing, with a single variable x. Each case there is a single variable x and the power is 1 here, which is not required to write. Okay. And next, what is the general form? General form means here we can say ax plus b less than c is the general form, and here less than we can take less than equals to, greater than and greater than equals to. These four are used for inequations. Okay. And a, b, c belongs to set of real numbers where a should not be equals to 0. If it will be 0, what will happen? This term will be 0. As a result, we have no variable, means 0 into x, it will be 0. So, there will be no variable. That's why a should not be equal to 0. And next we will discuss about the replacement set. What is replacement set? The set from which the values of the variable x are replaced. Means here we have to solve it. Next, that means we have to find out the values of x. That he is saying, for that a replacement set is given to us, and that replacement set is what? Means from which the values of variables x we have to find out, and the important thing, it is always given to us. Next is solution set. What is solution set? From the replacement set we have to choose some values for which x will satisfy this inequality. Those collection of values will form the solution set. Okay. For example, if I will say what? X less than 5. If I will say x less than 5, and here the replacement set is what? Set n, w and z. Now we have to find out what will be the solution of this inequality. When the replacement set is n, in that case the values of x will what? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Yes. When the replacement set is w, it will be what? When the replacement set is w, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When the replacement set is Z, what will be the solution set? The solution set will be what? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, like this. Yes or no? Yes. Now, there are some rules or properties of inequation which we have to follow at the time of solving the linear inequations. Let's discuss about the properties. So, the first property is when we are adding the same number, there will be no change in the inequality sign. Means if I will add plus 2 on both sides, x minus 2 plus 2, it will be remain as it is, means less than 4 plus 2. This implies x is less than 6 here. Next, when we are subtracting the same number, that means if I will say here x plus 3 minus 3, the sign will remain same, means less than 10 minus 3. This implies x is less than 7. When you are multiplying or dividing the same positive number, in this case also the sign of inequality will remain same. Now if I will multiply 3 in LHS and as well as in RSS, what I will get? It will be what? X less than 18. Now this one is very important. What? When we are multiplying or dividing same negative number, the sign of inequality reverses. If I will write here minus x into minus 1, this inequality sign will what? Changed. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 1. This implies x greater than 2 here. But in the question it was given less than, now it is greater than because we multiply minus 1. Okay. Now another example, minus 2x less than minus 8. If I will divide minus 2 on both sides, minus 2x by minus 2 less than minus 8 by minus 2. Okay. Here the less than sign will change to what? Greater than sign. We can't write less than sign here because we divide what? A negative number. So it will change to what? Greater than. Clear? Now minus 2 cancel. This implies x greater than 4. Okay. So this was all about the properties of linear inequations. Next we'll solve some examples. So before going to example, let's discuss about some remarks. Remarks means when a less than b, we can say b is greater than a, and a greater than b, we can say b is less than a. For example, if I will say 3 is less than 5, we can say here 5 is greater than 3. Yes or no? Yes. And if 10 is greater than 7, that means 7 is less than 10. Yes or no? Yes. Now the first example is 3 whole into x minus 2 less than 1. Here the replacement set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to find out the value of x from this replacement set. Let's solve this example. So 3 into x, it is 3x. 3 into minus 2, minus 6 less than 1. Okay. Next implies if I will take minus 6 to the right side, or I will add plus 6 on both sides, it will be what? 1 plus 6. Okay, this implies 3x is less than 7 and x less than 7 by 3. Note here the values of x is given in natural number, but x is coming in fractional. What we will do here? We will convert it into what? X less than 3 to the 6, 2 whole 1 by 3. That means the value of x is what? Less than 2 whole 1 by 3. So what is 2 whole 1 by 3? Now this mixed fraction will come in between 2 and 3. Yes or no? In between 2 and 3. That means less than 2 whole 1 by 3. Here in between 2 and 3, 2 whole 1 by 3 will come. The question is less than 2 whole 1 by 3 means we have to select 2 and 1. So the solution set is here what? 1 and 2. Clear? Next, 2x minus 3 greater than 3, and the replacement set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's solve it. This implies 2x, if I'll add 3 on both sides, it will be 2x minus 3 plus 3, it will be cancel, 3 plus 3. Next, 2x is greater than 3 plus 3 means 6 here, and x is greater than 6 by 2. Okay, x is greater than 3 here. X is greater than 3 means the value will be 4, 5 and 6. Now the solution set is 4, 5 and 6 here. Clear? Next example is 9 less than or equals to 1 minus 2x. Now if I will take minus 2x to the left hand side, it will be 9 plus 2x less than equals to 1 here. Okay, but I have to take it in the left hand side 2x, and I will take 9 to the right hand side. Now 2x is less than equals to 1. 9 is added in the left hand side. If I will take to right hand side, it will be minus 9, or you can subtract minus 9 from both sides to cancel 9. Now 2x less than equals to 1 minus 9 minus 8, and if I will divide 2 on both sides, it will be 2x by 2 less than equals to minus 8 by 2. Remember, here I am dividing the positive value, not the negative value. That's why the inequality sign remains same as it is. Now 2x by 2 means it is x here less than equals to 2 by minus 8 by 2, which is minus 4. That means we have to choose the values which is less than equals to minus 4. That means minus 3 and minus 4. Equals to it is given, that's why we have to choose minus 4, and less than is minus 3. And now the solution set is minus 3 and minus 4 here. Let us discuss one more example. So in this example, the replacement set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's solve it. If I multiply 6 in LHS as well as in RHS, that means 3x minus 5 by 6, I will multiply 6 in the left hand, and 1 by 2 into 6 in the right hand. Now 6 cancel. Here 2 3 is 6. I can write here 3x minus 5 greater than 3. Now if I will add 5 on both sides, 3x minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. Okay, I can write here plus 5 greater than 3 plus 5. Now it is 3x greater than 3 plus 5, it is 8. Now if I will take 3 to the right hand side, or I will divide 3 on both sides, it will be 8 by 3. Again it is coming in the form of a fraction, but our replacement set is in given as 0 to 6. So what will we will do what? We have to convert it into mixed fraction. 3 to just 6, 2 whole 2 by 3 this one. That means the values more than 2 whole 2 by 3. 2 whole 2 by 3 will come in between 2 and 3. So we have to take greater values than 2 whole 2 by 3. That means 3, 4, 5, 6 we have to choose here. So the solution set is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this was the first part of linear equation. What will happen next and some more properties, we will discuss it in the next part of linear inequation. Thank you.